You've been in these type of situations before. You're at a bar or a party and you see a girl that you find attractive, but you don't want to approach her. So, what can you do to make her obsessed and catch her attention? Well, listen up, cause I've got some tips for you. First things first, confidence is magnetic. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and show that you're comfortable in your own skin. A confident attitude is irresistible, but remember, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. So be who you are and know your worth. Next, listen more than you talk. Women love feeling heard and understood. You know, when you two spark up a conversation, ask her about her dreams, passions, and experiences. When you genuinely engage in her world, she'll feel an emotional connection that's hard to ignore. So be curious, ask her about her life. But here's the thing, leave a little mystery. When you're talking, don't reveal every detail about yourself at once. Keep her curious and intrigued. You might share some passions and ambitions, but keep some stories for later, because it will come in handy. Women love this, and this will make her eager to know more. But not also that. Women love ambition. Ambition is incredibly attractive. Show her that you have goals and a vision for your life. Because a man with a purpose is a man she'll want to stick around for. But it's not all about talk. Finally, little gestures matter. Remember her favorite things, surprise her with something meaningful, or even just send her a text saying you're thinking of her. Thoughtfulness shows you care, and that's what makes you unforgettable. And one bonus tip. If you're at a party and you see that you both like each other, you can brush shoulders while talking to see if she likes physical contact. And if she does the same thing back, then you know you made her obsessed. So there it is. Confidence, active listening, a little mystery, ambition, and thoughtfulness. Combine these and you'll be on your way to becoming the guy she can't stop thinking about. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And I'll see you next time. Peace.